Pisgah and Mitchell the Cougars. Cougars are known by many names, including panther, puma, and mountain lion. Swift runners, agile climbers, and great swimmers, cougars are a top predator with excellent eyesight and superb hearing. Cougars stalk their prey closely, utilizing the element of surprise. Born in the summer of 2010, Pisgah and Mitchell were orphaned and found in the wild at just 5 weeks old. They were taken to a wildlife rehabilitator and from there to the Oregon Zoo before coming to their home at the WNC Nature Center in September 2010. Cougars stay with their mothers for up to 2 years, learning how to hunt and survive. Because Pisgah and Mitchell never learned these critical survival skills and do not fear humans, they cannot be released back into the wild. These brothers do not like to be separated. When they're separated, they will make a chirping noise. This is their way of communicating with each other. This chirp is only used when calling out to family members. In the wild, males are solitary except during breeding. Because these two brothers were raised together and never had to compete for food, territory, or mates, they have gotten along very well. You may know that Pisgah and Mitchell are named for nearby mountains. They got these names through a naming contest that was held after their arrival at the Nature Center.